Good evening, guys. Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
How are you guys? How is going? Amrita, Pooja, Akshita. Have you tried some numericals? Guys, please. We are going to wind up this class, this lesson with this session. Almost we are up to end of the arithmetic progression. Only some little bit higher level numericals we have to practice here. After this, there is a change in order of the topics because the CBSE was changed the pattern semester 1, semester 2, and what are the topics for term 1? Those topics only we are going to discuss. Guys, able to hear what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
They mentioned what are the term 1 topics? Anything they mentioned? Term 1 topics, term 2 topics? Any school? Any of you? Guys, please respond. I think you can able to, I'm sharing the screen, you can see the a file which is related to term wise syllabus of grade 10. This is a term wise syllabus of grade 10 which I deleted from your CBSE website. You can access whenever you are free. You can go to the academic website in curriculum, term wise curriculum 21-22. You are going to write the exam in 22. This is a mathematics term wise syllabus. Let's see. These are the different topics and how many marks it is carries. In first term, we are having number system, which we already completed. Am I right, guys? We done or not?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Sorry,
Sir, this is ninth grade, sir. Scroll more down.
I didn't get you. Please.
Sir, this is ninth grade, sir.
Sorry.
Sorry, it is showing us 9.
Going down. Yes, I got it. Yeah, class 10 first term. Number system, algebra for 10 marks, coordinate geometry 6 marks, geometry for 6 marks, trigonometry for 5 marks, mensuration for 4 marks, statistics and probability for 3 marks, total 40, and internal assessment is 10 marks. What are the topics for term 1? In term 1, we are having real numbers from we already done. Guys, you able to clear what I'm saying? And from algebra polynomials we completed, pair of linear equation in 2 variables we completed, quadratic equation is not there in first term, and arithmetic progression is also not there. But we are in the middle of the topic, we will complete and we will move to the next one. So when it comes to coordinate geometry, lines in 2 dimensions, only the basics of the coordinate geometry is there for first term. Section formula, till section formula. Review concept of coordinate geometry, graphs of linear equations, distance formula and section formula. Most coordinate geometry fully we are having. Next topic we are going to discuss coordinate geometry according to order of this. And triangles. This is a little bit big. And introduction to trigonometry, only identities and mensuration. And statistics probability. This is the order we are going to discuss next class onwards, because this class I am going to wind up the arithmetic progression. So once we done, when it comes to second thing, quadratic equation and arithmetic progressions we already done. It will take 10 sessions and it will giving some other values. And when it comes to geometry, we have not done anything. Applications, remaining things are not yet done. So we done 2 chapters, but when it comes to term 2, just I will give the basic revision, and we will go with one small examination on this. I mean, like one small test on this, and we will go to the geometry again. Is it clear, guys? Anyone having any doubt which is term 1, which is term 2?
No doubt, sir.
And they are not yet released the sample question paper for term 1 and term 2, how they are going to assess you. So come back to the discussion. We are discussing nth term. How many questions we completed, guys? I gave the homework for 2 and 3. Anyone completed? Uploaded in app, guys? How many are uploaded? How many are completed? Please raise the hands or open up and tell me. Raise the hands. How many are completed? Guys, Aditi, Akshita, Amruta, please. Arman, I think you got enough number of days. Other, Durlab, no one completed, man. Guys, please respond. Vaishnavi, Sanyu. Guys, I'm asking you people only. Done or not done?
Completed, sir.
Who? Who said this one completed? Vaishnavi, Amrita, and Sunny submitted today. Completed, sir. Amrita. What is the difficulty you are facing, guys? Based on that only, I will allot the work. Please open up and tell me what is the difficulty you are facing if I am allotting some work, why you are unable to complete? Anyone, please. If you give, please let me know your difficulty. Based on that only, I will approach. I will allot some work with you. I know. Didn't get third question, last one, sir. Okay, next. Any other discussions? One or two questions, doubts and all, you leave it. Without that also you can able to submit. Okay. So don't overwhelm yourself. Like if you are having too much of work from school, you decide what work you have to do. I am not a kind of faculty to compel. I don't know about other things. You have to do it at any cost. It's your job and all. I won't compel you. But I need proper output in examination. That is only I am expecting from you, whether it is school or whether it is outside, whether it is institute. I need good marks from you. That's it. Good performance. I'm not saying you have to be class first and all. It's a good performance. Submission and all is purely depends upon your planning and coordination. That's up to you. You're grown up. I don't want to compel you people. But if you let me know if you're having too much of work and overloaded, please let me know, guys. I will keep it in mind and I won't compel you people again and again. If you are unable to discuss with me, I don't know. Yeah. See, any doubts from second question, guys? Please. Any doubts from second question? Any doubts from second question? No doubts? At least type in chat yes or no. Any doubts from second question? Everyone? Everyone done? Guys, say yes or no. Our full members are here. Only 2 members are replied.
No doubt, sir.
Yeah. And this is A is given, D is given, AN is 50. They are asking N and SN. So 10th one is asking 10th one doubt. I think Sanyu is asking 10th one doubt. Am I right, Sanyu? The last question of third question. Last part of the third question. Given L is equal to 28, what is the meaning of L, guys? L is the last term. And S is equal to 144 and total number of terms is 9. Then find the initial term A, first term. What is the formula for Sn? We are having two formulas. N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. If you know the first term, number of terms and common difference. If I know the first term and last term and total number of terms, N by 2 into L plus A. So which equation I have to use here? This is one way of finding Sn value. This is one way of finding S value. In 10th question, based on given data, I have to use my Sn is equal to N by 2 into L plus A. I know Sn value which is equal to 144. N is 9 terms, 9 by 2, and L is 28 plus A is A. So if I am calculating 144 by 9 into 2 is equal to 28 plus A. So (16) into 2. So 28 plus A is equal to 32. So A is equal to 4. I got A is equal to 4, guys. Is it right answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is how we have to solve the 10th question. So shall we proceed to the next question, guys? Anyone having any doubt? Question number 3, please let me know. Anyone having any doubts in question number 3, please let me know, guys. Because based on this, I'm moving to the next one. Guys, please respond. Because this topic is completely belongs to second term, unfortunately. So we will wind up this topic within this class. Done? Shall I move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I mean,
Sir, are we going to have test for this chapter?
no, I will. Any test is announced on this chapter.
No, sir.
If there is any test announced, please let me know, guys. I will ask the sir to cancel the test, and we will go for second term test. So first term topics only we will go. Next, I will complete the coordinate geometry. We will have a test on that instead of having second term tests.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. The fourth one, how many terms of AP must taken to give the sum is 636? Understood what is the question? How many? If Sn A is equal to fourth question, you have to solve your own. A is equal to 9, D is equal to 17 minus 9, that is 8. 25 minus 17, that is also 8. And Sn is equal to 636. He is asking n value. How many terms is required to get the sum of the n terms is 636. Which formula I have to use? Harita? Vaishnavi? Which formula? Amrita? Which formula I have to use to solve this question? Sn is equal to which formula?
First one, sir.
N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We know the Sn value, we know the a value, we know the d value. Substitute and let me know what is the answer. Harita got the answer is 12. So yes, Harita, can you explain? 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2 times 9 plus n minus 1 into d. D is how much? 8. So how you solve this question? So this is how much? 1272. N into 18 plus n minus 1 into 8. 8n minus 8. This is n into 8n plus 10. 8n square plus 10n minus 272 is equal to 0. If you solve this quadratic equation, you will get the answer. So what are the n values you are getting, guys? This is the way you solve. Harita, please respond. Harita. We just chat and give the response, not a problem. No need to talk. Yes. So, what are the n values you got? Guys, anyone got the answer for this? For fourth question? How to solve the n square, 8n square plus 10n minus 272? What are the two values? Two comma minus 53 by 4. N can't be a fraction. N can't be negative and can't be fraction. So fraction means it's a positive integer. That is only the possible. So n is 12. So the answer of possible value n is 12 here. Yeah. Shall I go for the fifth question, guys? Done? The terms of an AP is 5. The first term of AP is 5. Sorry. A is 5. And the last term is 45. And the sum is 400. Find the number of terms. N value is how much? Please. Please solve this question. Which formula I have to use? Some you or anyone? Please, Vaishnavi, which formula I have to use here? Sn is equals n by 2 into a plus l. Guys, please, what is the answer? Sn is given as 400, n is don't know, a is 5, l is 45. So 400 is equal four into 25 force. Answer is 16. My n value is 16. Is it right answer, guys? Everyone got the n is 16?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'm moving to the sixth question. Yeah, good. The first and last term of AP is, the first term of AP is 17, last term of AP is 315.
Sir, in the fifth question, they're asking the common difference also.
Yeah, common difference. How to do the common difference, guys? Yeah, sorry, fifth question is not yet done. We got Sn is equal 400 is given. A is given as 5 and L is given as 45 and N we are getting as 16. That means your AN is equal 45, which is equal to A16. So A16 is nothing but A plus 15D is equal to 45. A plus 15D is equal to 45. So 5 plus 15 into common difference D is equal to 45. So D is equal to 40 by 15. So 8 by 3. Guys, is it right answer? 8 by 3 is, or you can use Sn is equal to n by 2 into guys, is it right answer? Please check. 8 by 3 is the right answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is it right answer, guys? Or you can use n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Even using this also, you can able to calculate 400 is equal 16 by 2 into 2 into 5 is 10 plus 16 minus 1 into 15 into d. So this is 8. So 400 is equal to 80 plus 120d. So here d is equal 320 by 120. 0, 0 is cancelled. 4 8 times, 4 3 times. So here also I am getting the same answer. Using SN formula also I am getting the same answer. Using general term formula also I am getting the same answer. So this is the 5th question. I'm moving to the 6th question. The first and last term of AP is 17 and 350. So given data is A is equals 17, L is equals 350. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? Is asking Sn, and Sn is how much, N is how much. An is equal to 350, then find the N first, which will give the total number of terms what you are adding. So An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. An is how much? 350 is equal to A is how much? 17 plus N minus 1 into D. D is 9. So 350 minus 17 is equal to N minus 1 into 9. So 350 minus 17 is how much? 337, guys. N minus 1 is equal to 333 of students by 9. How many times? 333 by 9 is how much? Students?
111 by 3.
111 by 3. 111 by 3 is how much? 27.
37.
37. So n minus 1 is equal to 37, n is equal to 38. Now I got the n value. So if I got the n value, then it will be easy to calculate the Sn value. Sn value is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. 38 by 2 into A is how much? 17. L is 350. Calculate and let me know what is the Sn value, sum of the 38 terms. So S38. How much? Please calculate this one and let me know how much you are getting.
वो शनिवार आठना नहीं किया तो बेटा जातना है अरे जरूरत है किसका
6973. 6973. Is it right answer, guys? Is everyone got the same answer? 6973.
yes sir.
Yeah. Shall I move to the next question? Yeah, Sunny also same answer 6973. Sixth question, the first and last term we done now. Sorry, seventh question. Find the sum of the first 22 terms. He is asking x22 is how much? That means n is equal to 22. Of an AP which is D is 7 and 22nd, A22 is given as 149. So what you have to calculate first here, guys? A value, correct?
Yes, sir.
This is like L. So A22 is equal to A plus 21D. From here, 149 is equals A plus 21 into your common difference is 7. So A is equal to 149 minus 147. What is the common difference, guys? Sorry, what is the first term?
2, sir.
So now I got A is equal to 2. From here, can you calculate S22? N by 2 into A plus L. That is N by 2 into A plus A22. 22 by 2 into A is 2. A22 is 149. How much? What is the answer? Please let me know.
So 1
2 into
6
149 is 151. Yes, 1661. 1661 is the answer. Correct. I'm moving to the next question. Question number 8. Find the sum of 51 terms of an AP whose second and third term are 14 and 18. He's asking 51 terms. S51. And but given is A2 and A3 is given. Question number 8. Sum of 51 terms. S51 is how much? That is N is equal to 51 and given data is A2 is equal to 14, A3 is equal to 18. From here, A3 minus A2 will be common difference. That will be how much, guys? 18 minus 14 is 4. From here, A is equal to A1. That is A is equal to A2 minus D. That will be 14 minus 4. That is 10. Now I got the A value is equal to 10. N is equal to 51. Common difference is equal to 4. Now S51 can be written as N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. This will be 51 by 2 into 2A. 2 into A is 20 plus N minus 1. 50 into D is how much? 4. This is 51 by 2 into 20 plus 54s are 200. So 51 into 220 by 2, that is 110. What is the answer, guys? This is a 110 times.
So 5610.
5,000.
610.
5,610 is 51. $5,610. Shall I go to the next question? We have to move for question 9. There are many. 20, yes, 20 questions are there. Let's see how many we can do. Rest of the things we can do when I'm revising again. We will close the arithmetic progression with this session. Please, guys, please solve the 9th question. I'm giving a few minutes time. 9th question. I will ask randomly someone. They have to answer. Please solve the 9th question.
ఫైనాన్స్ ఎన్నిటికి అయిపోతుంది
ఇలాంటివి తీసుకోవచ్చు పెద్దోడు కానీ చిన్నోడు కానీ ఆడతారు కదా.
ఆడతాను చేసుకోవాలి మర్చిపోవాలి ఆన్లైన్ ఉన్నాయి
ఇది తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు ఇప్పుడు బెంగాళమ్మ లోపలికి ఎందుకు పోతాయి అది కొనుక్కుంటుంది. అంట కాదు చిన్న చిన్నవి ఉంటాయి చూడు. Guys, anyone got the 9th question? Harita, some you please respond. Durlav, Aditi, Amrita.
So A is equal to 1, sir.
Yeah, let's see. So the sum of first 7 terms, that is, he gave us S7, 49, and that of 17 terms is S17 is 289. When the sum of Sn, he is asking Sn equation. Am I right, guys? So how to solve this
Yes,
question?
sir.
S7 is equal to how much? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But I don't know the a and d value, but it is equal to 49. 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d is equal to 49. 1 times, 3 times. This is 7a plus 21d is equal to 49. First equation. Is it clear how I got the first equation? S17. 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d is equals 289. So this will be how much? 2 1s, 2 8s. Even 7 I can cancel. 7 1s, 7 3s, 7 7s. The first equation is a plus 3d is equal to 7. First equation. And
So
7
second one is A plus 8D is equal to 17.
8d 17 17s. Is 17 square up, madam? So subtracting 2 minus 1. If I am subtracting 2 minus 1, a plus 8d is equal to 17. A plus 3d is equal to 7. If I am subtracting, what I will get?
5D is equal to 10 and D is equal to 2.
5d is equal to 10, d is equal to 2. What is the use of this d? I can calculate the a value. So a plus 16 is equal to 17. So a is equal to how much? 1. Correct?
1. Yes.
If a is equal to 1, d is equal to 2, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 2. So 2 cancel. The Sn formula is n a plus n into n minus 1. So you can leave like this, n into a plus n minus 1, or you can multiply na plus n square minus n. That is n square plus n into a minus 1 is the Sn formula. That means if I want S1, first term, n is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 into a is how much? 1 minus 1. A is equal to 1. So what is Sn? We got finally Sn is equal to n square. Correct? That is S1 is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
S4, S3 is equal to 9. S4 is equal to 16, like this.
So can you explain the last part once more?
Yeah, I will. ప్రధానికి ఫోన్ వచ్చింది కానీ క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నాడు క్లాస్ తీసుకుంటాను. Yeah, what part son you are asking? What part you are asking?
Sir, Dhruv said you to explain the last part, sir, like finding the formula of SN.
Yeah, see what is the SN general formula? N by 2 into A plus N minus 1 into D. Out of this, we don't know the N value. He's asking represent the SN formula in terms of N, because we know A is equal to 1 and N is equal to 1. Correct? Sorry, D is equal to 1. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
N by 2 into 1 plus N minus 1 into 1. What I will get here after this? N by 2 into 1 plus N minus 1. 1 cancel. So what I am getting here? Sorry, this is 2. 2 plus D is 2. D is 2. 2 cancel. And 2n minus 2. This is 2n minus 2. Sorry guys, a small calculation error. But the answer is n square only. N by 2 in 2 plus 2n minus 2. 2 cancel and you will get 2n square by 2. So Sn is n square. Understood what is the meaning of Sn? Is n square.
Yes,
Now,
sir, I got it.
what is the meaning is sum of one term is 1, sum of two terms is 4, sum of three terms is 9, sum of four terms is 16. If you write the series here, what is A value? A value is how much?
1, sir.
1. Common difference is 2. So A2 is 3. A3 is how much? 5. Suppose if I am taking first two sum 4, first three sum 9. If I am taking A4 is 7. If you calculate all the 4, S4 is equal to how much? 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 50 plus 1, 16. If I am taking S5, A5, A5 is 9. If I am adding 16 plus 9 is 25. So I am preparing an equation to calculate the Sn. This is the Sn expression.
Okay, sir, I got it.
Got it? What is meant by Sn also?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. So based on this, can you do the question number 10, guys? They are asking us to calculate A1, A2, A3. They gave the An value. That means for particular values of A and D, they proposed An is equal to 3 plus 4n. A1 is equal, substitute n is equal to 1. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. A2 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2. 3 plus 8 is 11. A3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3. That is 3 plus 12.
15.
15. So the series is what? 7 comma 11 comma 15 comma and so on. How much?
Sir, 19 and so on.
3 plus 4n. He's asking an 3 plus 4n. That's it. An is equal to how much? A plus n minus 1 into d. That is 7 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 11 minus 7 is 4. So 7 plus 4n minus 4, that is 3 plus 4n. Is it clear, guys? What is the meaning of an? And he is asking us to construct the series using the an.
Sir, can you explain this question once more?
Guys, just hold on a second. Yes. 10th question. He gave the an expression that is 3 plus 4n. What is the actual formula of an? An is a plus n minus 1 into d. For some values of a and d, my expression is coming as 3 plus 4n. What is guys? What I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So if I'm substituting n is equal to 1, I will get a1. That is your first term. That is nothing but a. That is 3 plus 4, that is 7. If I'm substituting n is equal to 2, I will get a2. That is 3 plus 4 into 2. How much? 3 plus 8, 11. This is your a2. Same as a3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3, 15. A4 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 4, 19. So the series is 7, 11, 15, 19, and so on. An. What is your an? 3 plus 4n. Is it clear, guys? What I am trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Or
Yes,
any
sir.
comments you felt too much? Guys, is it clear? See, if I am my series is correct or not, you can check. How you can check whether your series is correct or not? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is equal to 7, n is equal to I don't know, but d is equal to 11 minus 7 is equal to d, that is 4. If I am substituting all these values, 7 plus 4n minus 4, that is 4n plus 3. Is it clear, guys? How I am checking my series is correct or not? Guys, is it clear what I'm saying? Understood?
Yes, sir. We are able to
Student,
understand.
please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, next one is a second question on this one. Can you try this question? They gave the an is equal to 9 minus 5n. They are not asking to verify, just it is enough to calculate a1. What is the a1 here? 9 minus 5, that is 4. A2 is 9 minus 5 into 2, 10. That is minus 1. A3 is equal to 9 minus 15. That is minus 6. A4 is equal to 9 minus 20. That is minus 11. So what is the series? 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11, and so on. And nth term is 9 minus 5n. This is A1, this is A2, A3, and this is AN. Is it clear, guys, what I am saying?
English, press 2. Hindi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, with the help of all this discussion, anyone can try the question number 11. 11th question, please try. Everyone, guys, please. 11th question. I'll be back within 3 minutes. Guys, anyone got the 11th question? If the sum of n terms of an AP, they gave the Sn equation. Sn is equal to 4n
4n minus n square.
n square. What is the first term? He's asking A is how much? What is the sum of first two terms? He's asking S2 is how much? What is the second term? A2 is how much? A1 is how much? A2 is how much? Similarly, find the third and 10th. A3, A10. And nth term, An. So many things here. I'm assuming A1, A2, A3 is the terms of this series and An. Generally, A1 we are considering as A. It's a standard notation, and n is the number of terms and d is the common difference. What is the meaning of S1? A1 is called S1. What is the meaning of S2? A1 plus A2 is called S2. And what is the meaning of S3? A1 plus A2 plus A3. Am I right, guys? You understand what is the definition of sum of n terms? Guys, is it clear? Student, please respond. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So they gave the expression for Sn. What is the expression for Sn? 4n minus n square. So S1 is equal to 4 into 1 minus 1 square. That is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. That is your A1. S2 I am taking 4 into 2 minus 2 square. That is 8 minus 4. That is 4 is equal to A1 plus A2. This is A1 plus A2. It's not A2. It is A1 plus A2. So then what is A1? Your A1 plus A2 is equal to 4. Your A1 is equal to 3. Then what is the A2 value? What is the A2 value here? A2 is equal to 4 minus A1. That is 4 minus 3. Your A2 is
1,
equal
sir.
to. So now your A1 is equal to 3. A2 is equal to 1. So automatically D is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2. So from here you can do anything. From here you can do anything because I know the first one. A3 is equal to how much? 1 minus 2 minus 1. A4 is equal to how much? Minus 3. Correct? A5 is equal to how much? Minus 5. A6 is equal to minus 7 and so on. He's asking 810. What is the value of 810? 810 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Where my A is 3, n is 10 minus 1 into D is how much? Common difference I got minus 2. This is 3 plus 9 into minus 2. 3 minus 18. So the answer is minus 15. So A10 is equal to minus 15. Guys, is it clear what I'm saying? He's asking A1, A2, A3, A10 and AN and S2. S2 already I found. This is S2 value. A1 I already calculated. A2 I already calculated. And S2 I am calculating. Say S2 is also there. S2 is 4. From here, AN is how much? AN is A plus n minus 1 into D. That is A is equal to how much? A is equal to 3. 3 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 2. 3 plus minus 2n plus 2. This is 5 minus 2n. So your AN is 5 minus 2n. With the help of this also you can verify your answer is correct or not. Substitute n is equal to 1, you will get A1. Check, it is 3. Substitute n is equal to 2, you will get A2. 5 minus 4 plus 1. Substitute n is equal to 3, you will get A3. A3 is equal to 5 minus 6 minus 1. See, already I calculated earlier. The same values are coming, then your answer is correct. Whatever thing you find previously. This is your AN value. This is your A10 value. This is your S2 value. S2 value I got 4. And A1, A2, A3, A4 also I calculated here. Is it clear, guys? How I solve this question? Anyone having any doubt in this? All are like related to each and every thing. Is it clear? Students, please let me know. Is it clear or too much confusing? One more time is needed, or I can go for the next question. Guys, please, Harita, Sanyu, please respond.
So you
Yes
can
or
go to the
no?
next sum.
Yeah. Next one, we done 11th one, 12th one. Find the sum of 40 positive integers divisible by 6. 40 positive integers divisible by 6. How to do this question? What are the list of integers divisible by 6? 6, 12, 18 and so on. A40. Am I right or wrong, guys? Where your A is equal to 6, D is equal to 6 and N is equal to 40. He is asking S40. Can you calculate and let me know what is the answer?
So we have to take n by 2 brackets 2a plus n minus 1 by t into d, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
40 minus 1 into D is 6. Is this my equation is correct for S40? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, is the answer 4920?
Sorry?
So 4920.
2000?
4920.
4920. This is 41 into 6. 4,920. 492. Yes. Correct answer. Is everyone got the same calculation for S40? Guys, please. Yeah. I'm moving to the next question. Is it okay? I can move to the next question, guys.
Yes, sir.
Question number 13. Find the sum of the odd numbers. Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. Sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. So 8, 16, 24, 32 and so on is A15. So here also we know A is equal to 8, D is equal to 8, N is equal to 15. He is asking S15. So N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Without calculating A15 we can proceed, or if you calculate A15 is also fine. 15 by 2 into 2 into 8 plus 15 minus 1 into D. D is 8. 15 by 2, 16 plus 14 into 8. $112. So 15 into 128 by 2. 64. How much? What is the answer? I got 960 is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Come back to the 14th question. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. What is the first odd number? 1. Second odd number? How much? This is your A1.
Sir, 3, sir.
3, A2, and so on. 50, AN. This is your L. This is your A. So how to calculate AN value? Common difference is 2. Correct? Successive odd numbers difference is 2. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A is 1, N minus 1 into D is 2, that is equal to 50. So N minus 1 into A plus N minus 1 into D is 50, N minus 1 into 2 is 49. No, this is 50 is even, 49 is the last odd number between 1 to 50. So this is 48.
48, sir.
So N minus 1 is equal to 24.
24.
N is equal to 25. It is very simple. Between 1 to 50, there are 25 odd numbers. That is usual. 2 to 40, 2 to 50 is 25 numbers. 1 to 48 is 1 to 49 is 25. So N is equal to 25. So using this, you can able to calculate Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus L. So N is 25 by 2 into A is 1, L is 49. That is 25 by 2 into 50, 225s. I got answer is 625. Is it right answer, guys?
Yes, sir. Same answer, sir.
Yeah, this is how we can able to solve the questions related to SN terms, and there are some practical questions. These rest of the questions we can do when we are revising the arithmetic progression. Once we completed the term 1 portion one more time, I will revise quadratic equations. Whatever thing completed, I will revise and I will go through the second term portions. Anyone having any doubts, please let me know. Otherwise, I will wind up the session.
No doubt, sir.
Yeah, we'll meet in next class. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.